How to cancel send friend request on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To cancel send friend request on Facebook, open Facebook. There are two methods to cancel send friend request on Facebook. Firstly, if you know the name of the person whom you want to cancel your send friend request, then you can simply search their Facebook profile and cancel it. To do this, click on the search icon located on top right corner of your screen. Now click on the search box and search for the Facebook profile whom you want to cancel your send friend request. Now here you can see cancel icon, so click on that. Again click on cancel request. Now the second method is go back to your Facebook homepage. Now on top of your screen you can see friend icon, click on that. Now click on friend request. Here on top right corner of your screen you can see three dots, click on that. And then click on view send request. Here you can see all the profile whom you have sent friend request. Now click on the cancel icon. By doing this, you will be successfully able to cancel send friend request on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.